When your AC stops working, just call the experts at KS Services Heating and Air. They're fast and affordable. Right now, purchase any Bryant energy efficient system and save with 0% interest for 60 months with approved credit. It comes included with a 5-year labor warranty. And our fair price guarantee means that we will always give you 3 quotes for every situation. A good, better, and best. Call KS Services Heating and Air today. We roll on, whatever it takes.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Wednesday, the 27th of September. I'm James Spann. A gradual cooling trend coming up in the days ahead. No rain for a while. Tropics are still rather interesting. Let's check things out. There's the water vapor satellite view. Again, we have a trough in the west, a ridge in the east. Temperatures this afternoon around 90 in most spots. Birmingham and Anniston 89, Tuscaloosa 91. This should be the last 90-degree day for a while, possibly until next summer. Around the region, you can pick out that cold front. St. Louis down to 70, Tulsa 65. Slowly working its way in our direction. No rain with that front, but highs tomorrow go back in the mid-80s, then low 80s on Friday. And around the nation, very sharp gradient. From near Detroit down to Dallas-Fort Worth, behind that boundary, nice and cool, but very warm to the east with 80s and a few 90s. There's the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight, a marginal risk over parts of the southwest and the extreme northern tip of New England. Otherwise, things are quiet. And yep, no rain. Dry days for the next 7 days. Rain through Wednesday of next week. Nothing for most of the state, which is fairly common for late September and October. This is the driest time of the year. Let's check it out. In the tropics, we've got Maria and Lee, a couple of hurricanes. Maria regained hurricane status today. And a disturbance in the northwest Caribbean near Jamaica and Cuba. Here's the 5-day outlook. The Hurricane Center has this at a 20% chance of developing, moving north up towards southern Florida. So for now, not expected to be a major threat, but just a reminder that hurricane season isn't done once we lose Maria and Lee. Lee, a major hurricane. Category 3, top winds, 115 miles an hour. Of course, far from land. It stays far from land. Maria, a hurricane with 75-mile-per-hour winds, moving eastward out to sea. It'll be post-tropical by the weekend. So let's check out the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock local time. Troughing well to the north, but again, that's going to dent down the ridge and push a cold front through here in dry fashion. Tomorrow, the north winds will increase 10 to 15 miles per hour. You see the tighter pressure gradient, and the high dropping into the mid-80s, about 5 degrees cooler than today. Friday should be a sunny day with low 80s. Again, low humidity and north wind. What about the weekend? This is Saturday. We start the day around 60. The high will be around 80. A beautiful day. Sunday, upper 50s for some spots, low 60s elsewhere. The GFS showing a high of 79 for Birmingham on Sunday. We stay sunny. And Monday, again, upper 50s, highs around 80. Bright and sunny. Go to Tuesday, no change. And Wednesday, a week from today, ridging beginning to rebuild. That'll probably push highs up in the middle 80s, but again, we're dry. We see no chance of rain through the next 7 days. Let's go out 10 days here. This is Saturday, October 7th. We've still got a ridge down here across the deep south, and down below that, we're dry. Quite frankly, we see no chance of rain for 10 days, and tropical mischief in the Gulf. We've talked about this for days, and I think a pretty good chance something tries to fire up down there. But if the ridge stays strong, keep in mind that's going to push that thing over toward Mexico or South Texas. We'll check the European. Very similar. Got a tropical system down there in the southern Gulf on Saturday, October 7th. And again, more than likely it moves to the west. But again, this is nothing but speculation at this point. But the pattern favors it. There's been good consistency in the modeling. Something may be on the board in the Gulf in about 7 to 10 days. We'll keep an eye on that. Check the numbers. They're coming down. Pretty good chance, I think, today will be our last 90 until next summer. Still plenty of 80s, though. Highs cooling down nicely for the weekend. Next week, temperature should be pretty close to average for the first week of October in Alabama. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
AC broken? Just call KS Services Heating and Air. All Bryant energy efficient systems come with a 5-year labor warranty, and our fair price guarantee means that we'll always give you 3 quotes for every situation. Just call KS Services Heating and Air today.